What I wish I knew about leadership and accountability. Bishop Mutendi's bold challenge to SADC leaders. During a national prayer meeting hosted by President Emerson Mnangagwa, Bishop Nehemiah Mutendi of the Zion Christian Church criticized Southern African Development Community leaders. He stressed their failure to improve the region's economic conditions, urging them to prioritize peace, economic development and regional cooperation. Mutendi drew inspiration from Liberation War heroes. With over 300,000 attendees, the meeting also honored SADC countries as Mnangagwa prepares to assume the bloc's chairmanship. The Zion Christian Church's significant role in education and healthcare was acknowledged. Mutendi challenged Mnangagwa to fulfill his campaign promise of economic emancipation for all Zimbabweans. He emphasized that achieving this goal requires divine intervention and dedicated effort. Leaving no one and no place behind should be more than just a slogan, but a felt reality for all citizens. The bishop's call for peace and security in the region echoes a significant plea. He urged Mnangagwa to engage significantly with the SADC development agenda during his chairmanship. A call for action, a demand for change,